Understanding someday in the simple future tense. Hello learners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting aspect of English language learning: the use of the time expression, someday, in the simple future tense. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of future promises and possibilities. The word someday is an adverb, and in the context of simple future tense, it's used to refer to an unspecified time in the future. It allows us to talk about future events or actions that we believe will happen, but we're not exactly sure when. The exact time is not important. The emphasis is more on the certainty or possibility of the event happening in the future. The use of someday is quite flexible in a sentence. It can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence without changing the overall meaning. Here are some examples to illustrate its use. Someday, I will travel to Japan. I will travel to Japan someday. I will, someday, travel to Japan. Notice how the position of someday changes, but the sentence still expresses the same idea: a future intention or aspiration to travel to Japan. A common point of confusion among learners is the difference between someday and one day. While both refer to an unspecified time in the future, one day often implies that the event or action is less likely to happen or is more of a dream or hope. On the other hand, someday implies a stronger intention or belief that the event will happen. For example, one day, I want to be an astronaut. This sounds more like a dream. Someday, I will become a doctor. This expresses a more concrete goal or aspiration. There you have it, folks. Someday, in the simple future tense, is a great way to express your future goals, aspirations, or intentions without specifying the exact time. It helps make your English sound more natural and fluent. We hope this lesson has been useful in helping you to understand and use someday more confidently in your future conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and someday you will master English grammar. See you in our next video.